guys, what's up? Queenie here. Welcome back to my channel for another video. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below before you leave because I'm watching you. If you are already subscribed, thank you for coming back and clicking on another video. So as you can see from this video's title, you already know what it's about. This is going to be all about my Deva curl shoot, you really know why, like, this just it's not common for me. So I'm just gonna be unboxing what they sent me, and I'm just so grateful that they sent me all these items as gifts, and just to say, I guess, thank you for using their products. I'm just so, you guys know how much I love their stuff, so I'm just gonna unbox what they sent me and show you guys what's hot and what's new in Deva curl land, because I was so excited to see what they would choose to send me and what products they're like trying to, I don't know, like what new products they have right now and what new products work for my type 4 hair, because they obviously sent me things that pertain to my hair type. They didn't send me all like wavy hair stuff. They sent me like like kinky curly kind of hair products. So I'm gonna unbox it and show you guys what's in it, and I'm so excited. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna talk about how you guys can win a Deva curl product, but stay tuned to the end to find out about that. Okay, so this is the whole box. Can you believe this? This is the entire box right here. It's huge. Dress on there. Let me flip it this way. You know, stalkers nowadays. And again, I just want to show you guys what Deva curl products would work for your type 4 hair, because I obviously don't know every single product out there, but I'm going to go off of what they sent me, because they did send me things that are good for my hair. Anyways, so, and if I've already tried something, I will briefly touch on it and what I think about it, and you guys can also check it out for yourself. So first things first, there is this Deva curl Deva towel. It's a anti-frizz microfiber towel. I actually have one of these kind of towels already, and it really helps because it's like a microfiber towel. It dries your hair, but without giving your hair too much frizz. Like, you just, you know, you don't always want to have a t-shirt on your head, so it's always nice to have these towels because it dries your hair faster than a t-shirt, but also doesn't cause the frizz. Okay, so what do we have here? The Melt Into Moisture deep conditioner. You guys, okay, the last video I did on a Deva curl product was on this $50 deep conditioner. Okay, so this thing is thebomb.com. If you do not have this, if you have not tried it, I am telling you right now, you need to try it. They have it in like little small size containers for about $10, which still is expensive, but if you just need that once a month good deep conditioning, moisturizing fix your whole life, this is what you need. Just once a month, 10 bucks a month, it's not that bad, right? But of course, if you invest in the big container, it'll last you longer, but I feel like then you'll use it more and it might go faster. But honestly, just getting that small little container once a month to get a nice good condition, deep condition, is good. So you guys already know how I feel about this. I love this stuff. Okay, so they also sent me the Deep Sea Repair. So this is a seaweed strengthening mask. I was very interested in this. I actually mentioned that I was like dying to try this, so they are so kind for sending it. I did not expect it to smell like that. It kind of smells like a men's product. It's interesting. It smells like an oceany kind. I feel like I see what they're trying to do. I see what they're trying to do. It's kind of like an oceany vibe to it, if that makes sense. Ooh, and it's very thick, so that'll be cool. And it's a strengthening mask, which I definitely need. So if you have type 4 hair that's very dry and brittle like mine, that might be a good one to try out. So I appreciate that. Heaven and Hair Intense Moisture Treatment. It comes in a box. I guess this one is like a little more special. And what's going on here? So let's smell this. Ooh, this smells like it's about, this smells like it's about to do some business. You know when a hair product just smells like it's gonna get some work done? Wow, wow, wow. It has a strong smell for sure. It smells really nice and it's refreshing, but it smells like it's about to get down. That's the only way I can describe that. It smells like it's gonna get down. So this is a Heaven and Hair Intense Moisture Treatment. It smells intense. It smells like an intense moisture treatment. So I like that. This is the Deva Curl Super Cream. I actually have tried this, I think think I had a small version of it, and I kind of just put this in my hair when I'm doing twist outs and braid outs. This is a Define and Control Cream Coconut Curl Styler. It's really nice, it smells really nice, has a nice light hold, and it's amazing for twist outs and curl, like, what am I trying to say? Twist outs and braid outs. Damn girl, get it together. Okay, so other than that, they also send me my typical go-tos. You guys know I love the No Poo Decadence shampoo and the One Condition Decadence conditioner, and they sent me a bottle of each. Thank you for that. You guys already know how much I love these. They're the only shampoo and conditioner combo that actually moisturize my hair to its like true potential. But when I get out of the shower and I squeeze all the water out of my hair still feels like it has water in it because it's hydrated like so deeply. It's weird. It's really weird, but that's why I love this stuff so much. And then I've seen people, okay, I think this is a new product. It's called the Wash Day Wonder. It's a Deva Curl Wash Day Wonder Pre-Cleanse Slip Detangler. Okay, so you put this in, I'm guessing, before you wash your hair, and I've seen a lot of people using this because it speeds up the wash day process, and it really like just makes your knots like slide out. So this will be nice to do, especially after I take out all these wigs and protective styles. I could probably need a really good Wash Day Wonder and some of this, what is this, Build Up Buster. So this is also a, oh, micellar water cleansing serum. Oh, interesting. So this and this is probably really good if you have protective styles. Braids, twists, faux locks, crochet braids, wigs, whatever. To do a Wash Day Wonder to get rid of the knots, and the Build Up Buster to get rid of all the built up dirt and gunk and stuff that's been sitting there for a while. So this is definitely going to be used and it's going to be needed. Okay, so then we have the Ultra Defining Gel Stronghold No Crunch Styler. So this is a gel, a Deva Curl gel. I was interested in trying this as well, and I never did because I wasn't sure how strong the hold would be, but I will definitely try these on my curly units and also on my hair and see how it works. So I hope this is a similar kind of, this smells like a kid's like gel. Oh, yum. I will definitely be trying this. If I can replace my Kinky Curly gel with this, that'll be amazing, because I usually try to stick within one line. Because I already use so many Deva Curl products, I'm trying to fit more Deva Curl products into my routine, because when you use them all together, I feel like they just work the best. And last but not least, okay, so this is the smartest device I've ever seen created for hair products. Literally the smartest thing I've ever seen. It is a blow dryer and obviously like a little attachment, but this is their diffuser. Their diffuser is shaped like a hand, like this, and it has holes in the fingers. So you can literally slip it underneath and get your roots. Like it, like as if your hand, wow, because our curls are so tight, so we can't just blow it from out here. You need to get in there. You need to get in there, get in the roots, and blow dry it completely. And this is like a lifesaver. So that is that for everything they sent me. And obviously all these products are very expensive on their own, but make sure if you are interested in trying them, buy them separately, take your time, try them out. That's what I did to build up my Deva Curl collection of things. I really took my time and I just buy them individually and try them slowly, and I keep buying the ones that I like. So now let's talk about a giveaway. So I've been thinking to do more Deva Curl giveaways, because at this point that is the brand that I use the most on my curly hair, on my natural hair, on my curly units. Like that is just my go-to because it works so well for me. So I want to share that with you guys and find out what products you guys like out of all these things and out of the things you've seen me use in the past. What Deva Curl products are you dying to try? And I will just read the comments, see what is the most popular, and I will just go purchase one and send it out to a lucky person. So comment down below which Deva Curl product that you personally really like. Maybe I'll buy 1 or 2, maybe 3 if I have the funds for it, obviously, and I will just buy it and send it out to a few lucky people who have been subscribed to my channel and stuff. Let me know what hair type you have and what your favorite thing about your hair is. Just, I don't know, just write whatever you want. Talk to me, like let's be friends, and then we will go from there. And then I'll just pick one of the products that I feel like is the most requested, and then I will post a giveaway on my social media. So make sure you follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel. I don't really use Snapchat, to be honest, anymore, so just follow me on Instagram, and of course subscribe here so you can see what's going on. This video was obviously not asked for by Deva Curl. It's not sponsored or anything like that. I just want to come on here and share this with you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment down below which product you really want to try so I can pick one to do a giveaway with. And yeah, follow me on my social media, subscribe, because I'm watching you, I see you, click it, it's right there, it's not that hard, it's free 99. And make sure you thumbs up this video if you like these kind of unboxing videos, and I will see you guys next time. I'm talking way too damn much. Bye guys.